Our dry food is salmon and rice. That costs 15 kilo, costs 1,800 baht, and we prepare for a puppy today. We use 100 gram of dry food. The price for this 100 gram is 12 baht. We put a bit meat sauce to this dry food, that the dry food get a bit more soft. It's very important that you put a fresh part to the dog's food, and we using cucumber. They really love it. This cucumber is maybe 3 baht, so then we have here until now 15 baht at the moment. Then we need take a carrot. This look yummy. And then we take a bit from our meat. This meat here is from Macro, is dog food meat, fresh meat. The kilo is 40 baht, so we added here another 5. Then is this meal. It's a nice, fresh, good looking meal. You can add some salmon oil or some egg or whatever for your pup. They really love it. Tomorrow we do the same meal, just 100% fresh. So we said for this meal is around 20 baht, and we have our tester comes and go. Oh, our tester love it. What? How is it? Tester, how is it? How is it? Oh yeah. This is a 12 weeks golden retriever who is our meal tester today. So again, we have 12 baht for high quality dry food. We have 5 baht for cucumber and carrot, and we have, let's say, 5 baht for the meat. Then we are for one meal for 25 baht, and it's a good one, a healthy one with real ingredients. Tomorrow we will show you even more cheaper and 100% fresh. Watch out for our next video. Thanks for watching.